This is Angela J. Santos.
And this is Lucky Jasper Valderano.
And welcome to News Flash, delivering you the latest news in the country. Breaking news. Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte taken to the Netherlands by ICC. Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has been taken to the Hague, Netherlands by the International Criminal Court or ICC. Reports confirm that Duterte is now under ICC jurisdiction in connection with ongoing investigation into alleged human rights violation linked to his controversial war on drugs. For years, Duterte has dismissed the ICC's authority over the Philippines, but this latest development signals a major shift in the legal battle. Philippine officials have yet to release an official statement, while supporters and critics alike react to this unprecedented move. The international community is closely monitoring the situation as legal proceedings are expected to follow.
In other news, Filipino farmers are facing a growing crisis due to an oversupply of tomatoes, leading to plummeting prices and massive waste in several agricultural provinces. Reports from Benguet and Ilocos Norte show that tomato farmers are struggling as market prices have dropped to as low as 5 pesos per kilo, making it nearly impossible for them to recover production costs. Many farmers have been forced to discard their harvest or sell at a loss due to the lack of buyers and cold storage facilities. Meanwhile, local consumers are being urged to support Filipino farmers by purchasing local products, while food businesses and processing companies are being urged to help absorb the excess supply.
With the senatorial election fast approaching, Philippines are carefully choosing the leaders they believe will bring real change to the country. To see which senatorial candidates are taking the lead, is our News Flash correspondent Alexander Lutas reporting live in Winslow East, Bacoor.
Thank you, Angelo. This is Alexander Lutas reporting live for News Flash. With the upcoming national senatorial election just around the corner, Filipinos are voicing their support for their prepared candidates. Today, we are speaking with two voters and each backing a different senatorial hope. Sir, thank you for your time. Can you tell us who your senatorial bid is and why you support them?
I'm voting for Manny Pacquiao because the man of the people. Coming from a humble background, he understands the struggle of ordinary Filipinos.
Thank you for sharing your thought. Now, let's hear from another voter, sir. Sir, who your who is your senatorial choice and why?
I am supporting Kiko Pangilinan because of his dedication to agriculture, food security, and farmers' welfare. He has consistently worked on policies for Filipino farmers and fishermen.
Thank you for in your insight. As election day approaches, Filipinos continue to express their support for their chosen candidates, each with their own vision for the country future, will be Manny Pacquiao or Kiko Pangilinan. We'll find out soon. For now, this is News Flash, keeping you update on the pulse of nation. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Alexander. Summer is here, and for many Filipinos, it means it's time to explore. the country's most breathtaking destination. From beautiful beaches to hidden tropical paradises, the Philippines offers some of the best summer getaways in the world. To give us an in-depth look at the top 5 summer destinations this year, here Victoria Marie Uson.
The Philippines, with its over 7,600 islands, is one of the world's most beautiful summer destinations. Whether you're looking for white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and thrilling adventures, there's a perfect spot waiting for you. Here are the top 5 best summer destinations in the country.
First on our list is Siargao, the surfing capital of the Philippines. This island is a dream for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Beyond surfing, Siargao's laid-back vibe and breathtaking scenery make it must-visit summer destination. El Nido is famous for its dramatic limestone formations, clear blue waters, and secret lagoons. Whether you're taking an island hopping tour to Big Lagoon and Small Lagoon, snorkeling in Shimizu Island, or simply relaxing on a Nakpan beach, El Nido offers an unforgettable summer experience. Cebu is the perfect mix of adventure, history, and natural beauty. For those who love island hopping, Bantayan Island and Malapascua offer crystal clear waters and white sandy shores. Whether you're an explorer or a beach bum, Cebu has something for everyone. A list of top summer destinations wouldn't be complete without Boracay, home to the world's renowned White Beach. This island is known for its powdery white sand, vibrant nightlife, and exciting water activities like parasailing and paddleboarding after its environmental rehabilitation. Boracay is cleaner and more beautiful than ever, making it a top choice for both local and international travelers. Taking the number 1 spot is Coron, Palawan, a true paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Famous for its crystal clear lakes, dramatic karst formations, and a vibrant marine life. Coron offers some of the best diving and snorkeling experience in the world. If you're looking for a serene and breathtaking summer getaway, Coron is the perfect destination.
Whether you're after adventure, relaxation, or both, these places offer an unforgettable tropical escape. So, where will your summer destination take you next? This is Victoria Marie Olson for Newsflash.
Thank you, Victoria, for that breathtaking tour of the Philippines' best summer getaways. With so many beautiful destinations to choose from, it's no surprise that the country remains a top choice for travelers worldwide.
For the latest happenings around the world, stay tuned with us to get updated. This is Lucky Baldorado.
And this is Angelo J. Santos.
And see you next time in News Flash!